Hello students, welcome to part 24. Today we are going to discuss about Solanaceae family of chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. It is also called as the potato family. It is the largest family with 2700 species, widely distributed in tropical regions, subtropical regions and even temperate zones. What are the vegetative characters? Basically, it is a herb or a shrub or even small trees are present. Stem is herbaceous, rarely woody, that is, it is not woody, aerial, above the ground, erect, it stands erect, cylindrical, branches are seen. It can be solid stem or it can be a hollow stem. It can be hairy or a glabrous stem. What is a glabrous? A smooth, non hairy stem. Leaves are alternately present. You can see very clearly in the picture alternate phyllotaxy. One leaf at each node on opposite sides. Alternate. Simple. Single leaf is present. Rarely pinnately compound. Exstipulate without stipules. Venation is reticulate. This means it is a dicot plant. So exstipulate without stipules. Reticulate venation is present. Underground stem is seen in potato, that is Solanum tuberosum, where you can see tubers are present. So these are the general vegetative characters. Let us see the floral characters. Inflorescence solitary, single flower, axillary or cymose as shown in Solanum. We can see that the flower is either axillary as in Datura or it can be cymose inflorescence as in Solanum. Flower shows actinomorphic symmetry. Actinomorphic radial symmetry can be divisible into two equal identical halves from more than one plane, each plane passing through the central axis. Bisexual flowers. Bisexual, both male and female reproductive whorls, androecium, gynoecium present. Calyx are made up of five sepals and they are united. So, what is this condition called? Gamosepalous. Persistent, it will persist, it will remain even after fruit formation, flower formation, volvate estivation, as it is gamosepalous. Corolla again made up of five petals, united gamopetalous condition, again volvate estivation. So these are the characters of the flower in Solanaceae family. Androecium, there are five stamens and they are epipetalous. They are attached to the petals. You can see in the picture epipetalous, stamens attached to petals. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, two carpels, but they are fused together to form bicarpellary syncarpous condition. Ovary is superior ovary, very important. Bilocular placenta, swollen with many ovules, axial placentation. Look at this picture. This is a TS of ovary. You can see what type of placentation in the central axis, axial placentation. Bicarpellary syncarpous. So this is one carpel, this is another carpel. So placenta, axial placentation and bilocular fruit is formed and you can see so many ovules are present, many ovules are present. Bilocular, two locules are there. Fruit is a berry. What is a berry? Berry is a fruit which is having many seeds. Sometimes it may be a capsule. Seeds, they are many number, they are endospermic with endosperm. So you can see example tomato, bicarpellary. This is one side. I'll show with other color. Let's use blue color. So this is first carpel. This is the second carpel. You can see many seeds. And this is the placentation, axial placentation. Similarly, if you remember, you can see such type of structure in capsicum, in chili, in brinjal. Floral formula. It is a bisexual flower. Actinomorphic symmetry, radial symmetry. Calyx 5 sepals, gamosepalous condition. I hope gamosepalous. We are showing it with a bracket. Corolla, five petals. Again, what type of corolla? Gamopetalous condition. Androecium, five stamens, and they are epipetalous. We are showing this by joining. Such type of an arrow means epipetalous. They are joined, adhesion. Gynoecium, bicarpellary, made up of two carpels, and superior ovary. I hope you got the floral formula. From the floral formula, you can explain the entire flower. Let us see the economic importance. These plants, the fruits are used as food. Example, tomato, brinjal, potato. They are used as spices, example chili or capsicum. Medicine, belladonna, which is a pain reliever, muscle relaxant, ashwagandha, which is used for local application for tumors or ulcers. So medicinally important. And ornamental plants, beautiful plants. Petunia have beautiful flowers, so they are ornamental. This is the economic importance. So I hope you understood the family Solanaceae, students. Now in next video we'll start about a new topic, kingdom Plantae. Thank you.